Hey guys, Corbin from Hudly here today to show you guys my top 5 tips and tricks for getting your Hudly wireless installation perfect the first time through. One of the most helpful tips I've got for you is to visualize where you want to place your Hudly before going for your first installation. My favorite location is just to the left of center, here. We also have seen our community place the Hudly directly in front of them for the most visually rich experience, and as far away as the passenger side dashboard when they're allowing other users in the vehicle to use it as well. Wherever you mount it, make sure that it's perfectly positioned to keep you safe while you drive. And remember, it's easy to remove and remount the Hudly wireless, so no pressure your first few times through. This can be as clean of an installation as you'd like to make it, and the only thing that separates a perfectly clean install from a standard install is your personal preferences. I'll start by taking the cord and tucking it in the crevice between the windshield and the dashboard, where it fits naturally. From there, tucking it in further before running it down underneath the footwell column, and finally placing it inside the cigarette lighter outlet. Aim for a 45-degree angle when adjusting the display lens. You'll be able to see the image projected crisper and clearer. You can also adjust the base of the head-up display 15 degrees in any direction to find the best view for you. Did you know you can also charge your cell phone with the Hudly fast charger? Just plug into the extra USB spot on your power cable and your phone will be charged in no time. If your base starts to lose stickiness, simply run it under warm water, and it's like new again. Hang on to that protective film for the mount and the microfiber cloth for when you move your Hudly between cars. There are special coats on the display to protect against scratches. You should still be careful when moving and storing Hudly wireless. Check out the link above for tips on how to maximize your Hudly head-up display experience. For more information about our head-up display, our game-changing smart modules, and a special discount, check out the links in the description below.